Okay, so welcome everybody. My name is Manny Smith and today I will be showing you my version on how I create YouTube Shorts, pretty much using AI and other tools that might help you. Now, the way I do it, I spend around $1 a month, and the trick is that the cheaper the better, right? So first thing that I do is, of course, I go to trending page, which is right here, so Google Trends, and I search. My topic is podcast, right? So after you create a channel, you search a niche, and I believe the podcast niche is like the best there is right now. And as you see, here are some podcasts that are currently in high trend. But I checked all of these, and they are pretty much not good enough. So I saw there is a Full Send podcast, and I checked the Full Send podcast here, and I see that they did an interview with Aiden Ross. So what I do is pretty much, the whole podcast is around 2 hours long, and it's pointless pretty much to go throughout the whole podcast and check. So then I go to the Full Send podcast clips. You can do this for pretty much any other channel. I believe the podcast channels create their own clips. So as you can see here, so this here did Aiden Rosnick, Aiden Rotate. This clip is 135 minutes long, and this range doesn't comply with YouTube Shorts. As you can see, this one is 2. So what I do is pretty much copy this video here, and I go to the very useful tool VIDYO.AI. So this tool is not free. I mean, it's free 75 minutes you have for free, and it renews on every month, right? But after 75 minutes, we're left with nothing. Now, what I do is pretty much I buy the iCloud Plus every month, so which is $2, I think, or $1. That gives me unlimited amounts of free emails to use. And after every 75 minutes, when I spend them all, I just create a new account with email that I generate from iCloud Hide My Mail generator, right? And pretty much I have this AI tool for free forever, okay? I believe this is like my 10th account, so it's pretty good life hack. Now, what you need to do is, again, go to this, create a free account. You can also use Gmail, but Gmail has some security features which are not allow you to have more than, I believe, 10 accounts per your phone number, which is bad, right? You don't want to use other person's phone number. So let's go import video. You go here, you paste the video link and start import. After that, it will ask you for your personalizing your video. Now this is optional. I usually click done without anything, and there we go to dashboard, and it should be done pretty quickly. Here we go, it has been completed. We click open in editor here, and there we go. We have a template. The current template is bad, so I like to do is find a better template. I found out that this one is probably the best, or even this one. So if you go now here, you can go here.
How did the tape stream go?
And it pretty much automatically gives you the subtitles, which you can customize here. You can go like every word, you can go highlight random words, highlight this one. Now, it's pretty much what I do in this application. After that, I just click download. It's 720, but doesn't matter. I go to confirm, and now it will download our clip. After that, you should download CAPCUT. CAPCUT is the free video editor with a lot of features and different transitions, effects, all for free. So after you download CAPCUT, we need to open it. Downloading, now we open CAPCUT. First things first, we import our video into our CAPCUT. Go. Also, you should download any music that you like. I prefer like a nice chill one with the extra bass, maybe a motivational one or something like that. So here I have just find epic motivational music, okay? Also, you should go throughout the whole video and check out which part you should delete. You should delete the parts that don't make sense, that don't give up any additional information, that the part of video where, so for this example, Aiden Ross doesn't talk, mumbles his words, something like that. The video needs to be entertaining and fast and clean. So let me just speed forward, and I will get back to you as soon as I'm done with this cutting out part. So we have done cutting out the video. As you can see, from 1 minute and almost 2 minutes clip, I managed to cut it out to 54 seconds. Now, another thing I like to do is clip this part out, copy it, go to the end and paste it. So we make a little loopy, okay? So we have done editing. Now, the next process is to make it look HD, right? To make it look crispy, as they say. The way we do this in CAPCUT, pretty much highlight the entire video, go to the adjustment, go to curves, go to the white one, drag this down and drag this up, go to red one, drag this up, and drag this down and drag this up, green, drag this down, drag this up, blue, drag this down, drag this up. Now we have this effect. Now we go to effects or effects here, click it, and we choose video effects, lens, and blur. We add blur throughout the entire clip. There we go. And now we click export. We click export. Once it's done exporting, we will... Now, it has done editing, exporting. Now delete the blur layer, highlight the entire video, go back to adjustment curves, and click on this redo button here. Boom. Now, go to media, go to import, and import the exported file, place it on top like this, lower the volume to -infinity, go to blend, mode, linear burn, and move it to 65% around here. Go to media, library, white video, make it the duration for the whole clip, resize it to the full, mode, overlay, and place it to 95%, like this. I have this crispy look.
It went great. Everyone
looks jaggedy, but in the exported version, it will look good.
I heard.
The next thing that you need to do is to brand the video. Why? Because there is a chance that people will reuse your content, and we do not want that. We spend some money on it, right? Right? You know what I'm saying? Okay. Now, the way we do this is pretty much place the text button, place it down on the timeline, go to here and paste in your name. So my name is Moni Smith. I have my own style. You should check the other versions and have it your way. I use the font Oliver because I think it's the best. Opacity, I put it around 40% and place it down on the bottom. Now, the other thing I like to do is have an effect, which is in my favorites, I believe, if I can find it. No, I can't. So it's actually this hello blur. Hello blur, and I place it in the beginning and gives this nice little.
How did the paid stream go?
Like it's beginning to react. You begin to focus.
How did the paid stream go?
Okay, great. And the other thing I like to do is write the intro. So what this clip is talking about, right? So again, place down your text, go to text editor, and I put in, for example, the reason why Kate hates Aiden loss. You need to make it a bit, clickbaity, but not too much, So here's it. Here it is. Now go to effects, and I like this effect. Let me just show you very quickly which one I do prefer. So this one, right? Okay, this one is also good. So, but I use this one. This one is good as well. Okay, now I make the animation, and the animation is out, and it could be this one. This one is also great. As you can see, right, it removes. This one is great, not so good. Also the loop I don't use because we don't want to have it loop it. Now let's just check which other animation is good. This one is also good. So we're going to use this one. So as you can see at the beginning,
how did the stream go?
As you can see, it's a bit too high.
How did the stream go?
Great. Everyone loved it.
I heard the word on the street that don't like you.
Right, now the next thing, it's a bit boring, right? The thing I can give you is for you to watch the entire video. And if you can't watch the entire video, it means it's bad.
Yeah, right to him in jail.
It's cap.
Now you sure?
Yes, it's cap.
So as you can see here, he's saying like it's cap and something like that. You could add an emoji or use Midjourney, and So I will be right back after I edit out and add some animations and some pictures and emojis, and I will get back to you as soon as I am done. So I have edited out, I made some pictures, some emojis, and so on. Now, the last thing that we need to do is put in the music that we said in the beginning. Now, I put it in the below, and I found the most intense part, music, which is this one. Place it in. The final result is this.
Hate stream go.
It went great. Everyone loved it.
I heard the word on the street that Tate don't like you because you didn't write to him in jail.
It's cap.
Now you sure?
Oh,
Yes,
shit.
it's cap.
Because word on the street is like you support him, but as soon as he got locked up, you couldn't even write on a piece of paper,
No.
hey, I miss you.
He talked to me. I was texting. I was like, you know, if I could have wrote you, I would have done it. I tried going to Romania. They didn't even let me in the country. They said, if you come to Romania, we will arrest you for tampering or something like that.
Yeah. So you actually tried to go?
I tried. Yes, and I was in contact with Luke, and then we had a mutual.
They said, hey, bro, if you come here, you're going to get arrested by
You're
authorities here.
violating something, and it's going to be tampering with something.
And then, so you decided not to write the
I'm like
letter
gonna
after
cause
that.
like
You're
some
not
ki-
going to write a letter, right?
No, I mean, well, be honest. If I would have known, I would have done it. Of course. No, I write letters all the time to people.
So no, you sip some drink and you write a letter to Andrew Tate, bro.
Exactly. Come on now.
Okay, so that's the entire video. The next thing that you need to do is export it. And click export, and that's pretty much it.